Hey, crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and I appreciate you giving me a piece of your day today and talking about day 13 of Lynn's 25-day Advent box from SoftSquares. Sorry, it just seems like that's a mouthful for me for some reason. Us little Southern boys sometimes struggle with some of those things. But I so far have been so excited about the variety and the things that Lynn has gifted us. The other day, she gifted us the toolkit. Like, it's just, you can tell she's a crafter, creator, quilter, because her mind thinks like us, right? So the fact that she knows occasionally you just need something like that in your craft room, and you don't want to have to get up and go out to the garage, storage shed, wherever it is that you keep that kind of stuff. And you don't need a big, massive hammer sometimes either, right? But sometimes a small hammer gets the job done. All right, with that said, let's jump into day 13 and see what she has given us. Come on, come on, come on. All right. Oh, it's a pouch. All right. Sorry, I seen the sticker through the bag and it made me think that there was something else in there, but there isn't. So that's fine. And so let this says Thready for Anything by SoftSquares.com. So these are custom bags that she had put together for us. And I'm betting, since it says Thready, that there might be threaded here. So let's jump in and see. And there is. So she always puts a note in, and today's note says, "Are you ready for this?" I do love Lynn's sense of humor. And if you've not been over to softsquares.com and looked at her channel, you're missing out. You need to go over and join her for one of her lives. She is just such the best, sweetest sense of humor. Wonderfil Thread is a premium thread brand. Riley Blake's new thread line is produced by Wonderfil, and this sample pack will allow you to experience what makes it so special. Riley Blake and Wonderfil threads are available at softsquares.com. So that is awesome. So she gave us quilting thread, which is cotton covered polyester glaze finish thread. So this is what they call quilting thread on a spool. I think this may be the only spool of thread that I actually have. And then this is Wonderfil's thread. And I'm actually a distributor for Wonderfil. I don't use a lot of their threads. I ended up really kind of passionately falling in love with Glide. So I tend to use a lot of polyester thread. I think part of that is because I used to be, when we had our commercial embroidery business years ago, I used Madeira, and we used polyester thread just about for everything. And I just, cotton threads just get too linty for me, and I don't care what you say, it's linty. It doesn't matter which brand. I've done everything. So this is Wonderfil. These are all 60 weight threads, and this is, I'm trying to find the colors on here because I don't see a color choice, but she did. Just interesting. So this is kind of an eggshell color that they gave us. This is what I would consider more of a taupe color, and then she gave us black. So I do like having these. I do tend to take these with me. Usually what I do is throw these in my travel bag. So that way when I'm teaching a workshop or whatever, then I have them. But it is kind of nice that she gave us a zipper bag to help keep them in this time. So again, Lynn's done a nice job for us. I continue to be very, very happy with this box. It was not the cheapest box that I bought. It was actually one of the more expensive boxes. I think this box was $325, and as of a few days ago, she still had some. At this point, I have no idea. But overall, I've been happy with this, and I appreciate the thought and the work that Lynn and her team have put into this. So, guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for giving me a little piece of your day. I hope things are going well for you. I hope you're getting ready for Christmas because we're almost there. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.